We were right!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southeastern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Braceville to near Dwight to near Odell, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dwight, Braidwood, Coal City, Diamond, Gardner, Odell, Mauzon, Braceville, Lakewood Shores, Essex, South Wilmington, Godley, Buckingham, Cadbury, Campus, Redding, Emmington, East Brooklyn, and Union Hill. Including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 203 and 234. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.